Palmyra. Call me Icha. I am grading in 9 and 5. I'm 14 years old. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard on Earth. It lives with the crown and line of some Indonesia islands. Komodo dragon is the world's heaviest lizard and fishing on 100 6 pounds or a lot of. Komodo has great skin, a point sound, powerful limbs, and a muscular tail. The ugly tear can sense of smell to find designating animal remains for many miles away. The Komodo dragon teeth are nearly ugly county by its gums. The most important Komodo every measuring weight quiz the weight 3 meter long and weight on 166 kilogram. How, However, the com sex of Komodo with him the wheel is about 8 feet 2 meter long and 200 pound or 90 on kilogram. Bye bye.